this is our living space. Very spacious. Such a spacious kitchen with two sides of, as you can see, this is so spacious. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I've come at Godrej Varanya by Godrej Properties located in Kharghar Sector 5. As you can see, right behind me is the sales office, and to my right hand side the construction is going on. But before going inside, let me tell you about Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms, where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore, because Housey is here, which connects you directly with the builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done directly by the builders and not by the brokers. So come buy your dream home with Housey. Let's go inside. Talking about project overview, Godrej Varanya is built on a land parcel of 6.54 acres with 9 towers, currently launching 5 with ground plus 23 floors.
Configuration, we have 2 BHK, 3 BHK and Jodi option available.
Talking about the amenities, it has 40 plus amenities including swimming pool, 50,000 square feet of clubhouse, multi-purpose court, mini theatre, indoor games and many more. Talking about the connectivity of this project, as you all know, it's located in Kharghar Sector 5. Sion-Panvel highway is at a distance of 2 minutes. Mumbai-Pune expressway is at a distance of 5 minutes. There are 2 metro stations at a distance of just 2 minutes. The railway station is at a distance of 5 minutes. And the airport is just at a distance of 15 minutes. Come, let's go. Hi guys, so now let me give you a tour of our 3 BHK with an area of 1231 square feet. As I enter, this is my foyer space. As you can see, it's very spacious. Moving ahead, to the left hand side is the kitchen. As you can see, such a spacious kitchen with 2 sides of platform. And the best part is, you are getting such a big dry area to store your washing machine and your other stuff. Do not get such big dry space, but you can check out how big the dry area is. Moving ahead, just besides the platform, they have given good space to keep your microwave, your oven, which we usually do not get in other flats, and a space as big as to store a double door refrigerator, which is again very rare. Moving ahead to the living area. As you all can see, this is our living space, very spacious. You can easily chill, party, do get together of your family in this living space. A nice 6-seater, or if you want, you can make this an 8-seater dining space. As you can see, they have given such a big dining area, 6-seater, and you can make it 8-seater also, keeping 2 chairs here. So such a big dining area, and the living room, as you can see, you can chill, party with your friends over here. The best part of this living room is the balcony area. Come check. Such a big balcony area. You easily sit with 4 to 5 people, have your coffee, chill, enjoy the view outside your balcony area, which is not clearly visible right now, but once the project is done, you will be able to see the view. Moving ahead. As we walk towards our first bedroom, to my left hand side is our first common washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings attached. Again, being a common washroom, it's quite spacious. You all can check it out. And then we'll walk towards our first bedroom. As you can see, such a spacious bedroom. Usually this is the size of a master bedroom, but this is just our common bedroom. So you can just check that this house is so spacious for you. This is our cupboard area. A full wall dedicated to your cupboard area, and still I have so much walkable space. And you can see You'll even get full French window with railing for safety purpose of kids. Come. Now moving ahead to our next bedroom. So this is our bedroom number 2. This is our first master bedroom. As you can see, this is so spacious. Mumbaikars usually crave for such big rooms which you are getting in this project. All thanks to Godrej. This is our cupboard area. As you can see, a whole big wall dedicated for your cupboard area, and still 3 people can walk together. So much walkable space in this bedroom, which is the best part of this bedroom. Again, you get French windows attached to your bedroom and a balcony also attached with your bedroom. Again, a very spacious big balcony. You can check it out. Now we'll check out our washroom area. So this is attached washroom to your master bedroom. Again, so spacious with such a big wash basin area, which we usually don't get. Anti-skid tiles, and you'll also get high-end fittings. Now let me take you to our third bedroom, which is again a master bedroom. Before that, let me tell you about Housey. What are the key features of Housey? So with Housey, guys, you get a proper actual location tour with sample flat videos and actual flat videos also, pros and cons of buying the project, EMI and payment schemes, and a 360-degree location tour. All these features are available on Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Register yourself for free and book a free site visit along with us. Moving ahead to our third master bedroom. Come. As we walk ahead, first is our washroom. Again, very spacious with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Moving ahead is our bedroom. Again, very spacious. This is our second spacious bedroom, guys. This is the cupboard area. As you can see, again a full wall dedicated for your cupboard area. You can easily store all your clothes, belongings, and still so much walkable space left. Moving ahead. Again, this is our window, which is French windows along with the railing for your safety purpose. So guys, this was a sample flat tour of 3 BHK at Godrej Baranya by Godrej Properties. To get more information about this project, don't forget to check the icon button and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.